Welcome back to infyGyan, friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from exponential equations. It is 3 power x plus 1 square plus x times x plus 2 equal to 3, and we have to find out real solutions. So let's get started with our substitution straight away. I will consider x plus 1 equal to y. Then from here I can write x and x plus 2. So x will become y minus 1 and x plus 2 will become y plus 1. Let's see what will come out from the equation. I can write 3 power y square plus y minus 1 times y plus 1 equal to 3. Now from here we can write one algebraic identity, a minus b times a plus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. So I can write 3 power y square plus y square minus 1 equal to 3. Now let us take this term to the RHS. So I can write 3 power y square. This will become 3 plus 1 minus y square, which will be equal to 4 minus y square. Or I can write 4 minus y square equal to 3 raised to the power y square. Now I will consider another substitution. Let us say 4 minus y square equal to a. So from here I can write y square will be 4 minus a. Let us apply this substitution to our equation. It will give us 4 minus y square is a. So left hand side will be a equal to 3 power y square is 4 minus a. Using exponent property, a power b minus c, which will be equal to a power b over a power c, I can write a will be equal to 3 power 4 over 3 power a. Or I can write a times 3 power a equal to 3 power 4. It will be 81. As we know, 3 power a cannot be 0. Now I will use another property from exponents. It is x equal to e raised to the power ln x, and which we will apply here in the base 3. So a times e raised to the power ln 3 whole power a equal to 81. Now we can use another property from exponents, a power b whole power c. It will be equal to a power b times c. So this will give us a times e raised to the power a ln 3 equal to 81. Now I will write the property from Lambert W function, which says that x times e raised to the power x, Lambert W function will give us x. So here I will multiply by ln 3 both sides. This side and this side to match this LHS. So I can write here a ln 3 times e raised to the power a ln 3 equal to 81 ln 3. Now I will take Lambert W function both sides. So W, let me write here, a ln 3 times e raised to the power a ln 3 equal to 81 ln 3. Consider Lambert W function. So I will get like this. Now you can see x times e raised to the power x, Lambert W function. So I can write x, a ln 3. Right hand side it is Lambert W function. Can we write 81 as 3 times 27 times ln 3? So I will be writing here Lambert W function 3 ln 3 times 27. Now I will be writing Lambert W function. This 3 I will take as an exponent of 3. So it will become ln 3 power 3. And 27 I can write e raised to the power ln 27. Now this will give us Lambert W function ln 27 times e raised to the power ln 27. Again we will use the property from Lambert W function to write here ln 27. X times e raised to the power x will give us x. So LHS is a ln 3. A ln 3 equal to ln 27. Now I can write ln 27 as ln 3 power 3. Using log property, this 3 will come as a multiplier. So 3 ln 3. Left hand side is a ln 3. Let's divide both sides by ln 3. So this will be over from both sides. We will get a equal to 3. Now a was our substitution. It was 4 minus y square. So I will write equal to 3. So from here y square will be equal to 1 or y will be equal to plus minus 1. Now y was also our substitution. It was x plus 1. So I will write x plus 1 equal to plus minus 1. So I can write x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus 1. So from here I will consider plus sign in between. Then I will get x equal to 0. And if I will write minus 1, then it will give us minus 2. So our solutions are x equal to 0 and negative 2. We will see the graph and we will cross-examine these values. Here is our graph. 3 power x plus 1 whole square. This red color graph and this quadratic graph is blue color graph. You can see two intersections are there at x is equal to negative 2 and at x is equal to 0. Let us cross-examine. Check. X equal to 0. Equation I will write 3 raised to the power 0 plus 1 whole square plus 0 times 2. So 3 power 1 square, it will be 1 plus 0. So this will give us 3, which is our RHS. Hence verified. Now the turn of x equal to negative 2 solution. So I will write 3 power negative 2 plus 1 whole square plus negative 2 times 0. So I can write 3 power negative 1 whole square plus 0. So 3 power 1 plus 0, 3 plus 0, so 3. This is our RHS. Hence, this is also verified and true solution. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.